Revenue Financial stands out because of our personalized approach and proven track record of success. Here's why you should choose us. Tailored solutions. We understand that individuals' credit situation is unique. We customize our strategies to address your specific needs and goals, ensuring the most effective outcome for your credit repair journey. Expertise. Our team consists of experienced professionals who are well-versed in credit repair strategies, regulations, and best practices. With their expertise, we're able to navigate the complexities of credit reporting and disputing process effectively. Transparent process. We believe in transparency every step of the way. You will be kept informed about your progress of your credit repair, and we'll provide clear explanations of methods and results. Results-oriented. Our ultimate goal is to help you achieve a healthier credit profile. We're dedicated to delivering tangible results and improving your credit score, enabling you to access a better financial opportunity. Lastly, ongoing support. Even after your credit repair journey with us is complete, we're here to offer continual guidance and support to help you maintain and further improve your credit health. By choosing Revenue Financial, you're partnering with a team that is committed to your financial well-being and success. Thank you.